Hi guys, today I would like to share a delicious recipe for an easy to make bacon tart. So first you want to start by frying the bacon, and once the bacon starts to release some fat, you want to add the onions and fry them also for a little bit, just so that they become translucent. Once the onions have become a bit translucent and the bacon has got some color, remove it from heat. Now we are going to make the base. You want to first start whisking the softened butter and whisk it for about 3 minutes. Then add the egg and continue whisking for another minute. Don't worry if the mix looks a little bit funny, it's okay, once you add the rest of the ingredients it will mix nicely. Then combine all of the dry ingredients and add them to the butter and egg. Continue whisking just until a batter forms. At the end you want to have this kind of smooth batter. Now take your pie dish and butter it well. Then transfer the batter and spread it over the pie dish like I'm doing here with the help of a spoon. The base is going to be very thin. Don't worry about it, just make sure you don't have any empty spots so that everything is covered with the batter. Now we can start making the filling. Add the eggs to the milk. Then season well with some salt and pepper and whisk until everything has been combined. Then you want to add the rest of the ingredients for the filling, so the red pepper, the bacon with the onion and the cheese. Give it a short mix and transfer it over the base. Before baking, sprinkle over some dry oregano. You can find the baking instructions and the complete recipe in the link below in the description box. Before you remove the pie from the oven, you want to check, like I'm doing here, that the filling has set. Then remove the pie from the oven and allow it to cool a little bit before cutting it. You can enjoy this tart once it's cooled a little bit, or you can cool it completely and serve it on the next day or later. Then you want to cut the pie and warm the pieces a little bit in the microwave, as it is best served warm. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe for some more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.